Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game GTA 5. You got an error, unrecoverable fault. Please restart the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to open up your Windows Security. In Windows Security, click on the option Protection History. Now in the Protection History, a list of logged files will be shown. So you need to click on this down arrow key, and here the path of the file is present. Right over here, if the path is related to your GTA 5, you need to click on the Action tab and choose the option Allow on Device so that the file blocked by your antivirus will be fixed. So make sure you first of all check the name and then check the path of the file to fix out the issue. If this simple step doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step you need to open the game directory. At my end, the game is installed in F drive, Rockstar Games, and here is GTA 5. Right over here, you need to press the H key to find a file with the name heap adjuster. You need to right click on it, choose the option open with and select notepad. You will find the option of heap size over here. Make sure it must be below 1000. For example, at my end, it is 7500. I'll make it 750. Then click on file menu and choose the option save. Now close it. Now go ahead and try to launch the game. If this also failed and you are still getting unrecoverable fault, then the reason behind is you are using mods. So make sure you must remove all the mods from your system. And to remove the mods, right in the game directory, you will find files with the .asi extension. For example, this heap adjuster file is of mods. Open i5, open camera, pack file limit adjuster, pool manager.asi. I mean, you need to find all the files with the extension .asi, and once you find all the files, go ahead, select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. After deleting, go ahead and try to launch the game, and this time the issue of unrecoverable fault will be fixed. If nothing works, the only reason behind is either the game files that you have downloaded are not properly downloaded. So make sure first of all you must download or re-download them properly. Secondly, you must unzip them properly, and to unzip I highly recommend to use either 7G or WinRAR software. And thirdly is you should reinstall the game, and in order to reinstall, first of all open up a Windows Security protection. Under Manage Settings, turn off real-time protection. After turning off the real-time protection, only then you must reinstall the game in your system. And once the game is reinstalled, the issue of unrecoverable fault, fatal error while playing the game GTA 5 will be completely fixed. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.